Hello, welcome to my morning cleaning routine. This is just a very quick video just to get you motivated this morning in case you need it. I go through what I do every single morning when I get out of bed and I've had a shower. This is my morning cleaning routine. I would usually leave my bed open to air, but for the purposes of this video, I did make it. And these clothes are the items that couldn't go into the tumble dryer, so I just popped them on the maiden in the bedroom and they dry overnight. I've opened the window to let a little bit of fresh air in, a little sip of my tea, put my face mask away, which is nice and clean, and now I'm going to give the floors a little hoover. A quick spray of air freshener and that's the bedroom nice and clean. I'm now going to move on to the office, but the office is a little bit like organised chaos because I work from home, so I don't want to disturb too much of what's going on my desk, so I'm just going to open the blinds, give the floor a little vacuum, put my microphone away, and that's the office nice and tidy. Now we are in the bathroom. I would generally do this whilst I was either in the shower or just before I got in the shower, but I'm going to put a little bit of toilet duck down the toilet to make sure that it's nice and clean and fresh. Give the sink a little wipe over to make sure there's no toothpaste left in there, and give the taps a little clean also because they do get watermarks on them. I spray a little bit of flash into the bath also and give the bath a little clean out. Clean off the windowsills, and that's it really. That's what I do every morning, and this tends to keep my bathroom lovely and clean and smelling beautiful too. My bathroom is so tiny. I'm laughing as I'm editing this because there's just no way of getting the perfect angle to be able to show you exactly what I'm doing because it's so small. But it is on our list when we are buying our new home to have a nice big bathroom. I'm just going to give my hands a little wash, and that's the bathroom nice and clean. Literally took me 2 minutes. At the start of this video you'll see that I showed you the front of my phone, so you can see roughly how long it does take me to do this cleaning routine. I would say it roughly takes me on average about 30 minutes to do this every morning. Sometimes it's less, and please bear in mind that when you're filming this type of content it's going to look like it's longer because obviously I've got to drag a tripod around with me, and the cleaning of the bathroom would usually be done whilst I was in the shower to save time. So it does take me around 20 to 30 minutes every morning to do it, but this is how I maintain a nice, clean and fresh home. People ask me all the time how I keep my house so clean with having 6 of us live here. There's 6 of us including our 3 dogs, and this is the way that I do it. I just have a routine where I clean twice a week. I do a deep thorough clean, and every single morning I just do this little clean over, and it keeps all the surfaces nice and clear and my floors nice and clean too. This is from Lee's bedroom. So he's decluttered his bedroom himself, and that's all his stuff. Bin bags are for the charity shop, and the cardboard at the back is for recycling. I've given a little bit of fuss to the pooches and they've all been out and done the business. So now I'm going to start my little cleaning routine in the living room, dining room and kitchen. But I'm going to start in the dining room because when I walk through carrying the wax melt holders, I seen lots of greasy fingerprints on the dining table. So I'm going to give the dining table a little clean over with some method cleaner just to get rid of those greasy fingerprints. Today I decided I didn't want the upbeat music playlist that I've got on my Spotify. I decided to put the relaxing jazz cafe YouTube video. I can't think what they're called, but I know that it's Calm by Nature and I absolutely love the channel. It's so nice for relaxing, and listening to the jazz music in the background was just lovely. It was so different. As you can see on the TV there, they give you a nice aesthetical picture so that you can use your own imagination, but I had the jazz cafe on and it was just so nice and relaxing to clean too. So I've sped the video up 2 times, as you can see, but it was a nice relaxing clean today, and I decided that on a few of my morning routines, so it's not so fast paced and upbeat, I'm going to start cleaning along to some jazz music just to make me feel better. I actually don't know whether it's just stressful times with lockdown 3.0 or I'm just getting old, but are you the same? Please make me feel a little bit better. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what type of music you like to clean up to. I know one type of music I cannot clean up to, and that is anything that is like hard rock. It makes me quite anxious to listen to that fast-paced music. It scares the life out of me, to be honest, but I would love to know what you clean up to, and if you've got a playlist on Spotify, I would love it if you could link it down below for me in the comments so I can come over and check out what music you're listening to. It really wouldn't be one of my cleaning videos if I didn't share the pooches with you. This is our Noah. He's such a little sweetheart. He's a real mummy's boy. Just wants to be with me all the time. Proper little lap dog. Dolly is cheeky and will try and get away with anything that she can. And Princess is just, well, Princess is Peggy, but she's my little princess. Stole the kitchen roll, and as you can see, she's not satisfied until she's sat there chewing it, making more mess for me. And she has the audacity to turn around and be like, have you got more kitchen roll there, Mum? Because I'm going to steal that too. But that's just our Peg. But yeah, I thought I would include just a little tiny bit of footage for the pooches because I know that a majority of you love to see my dogs in my vlogs. And honestly, that warms me so much. It makes me so happy to know that you enjoy watching them and seeing them as much as I enjoy sharing them with you. Does anybody else think if your floors are nice and clean and your rugs or carpets are all nicely vacuumed, the house just looks tidier, doesn't it? I don't know whether it's just me. With having 3 dogs, my floors can get a little bit marked and dirty and dusty too. But once I've cleaned them, I just feel like the room looks so much better. So if you're stuck for time and, you know, you're thinking about going back to work and how you're going to manage to keep the house clean and everything else, just know that if you clean your floors and hoover your rugs, even give a little spray mop on the floors too if you fancy it, the whole room is going to smell so much fresher and look so much cleaner. Give a little spray of air freshener and you look like you are winning at life. Well, I feel like that's the way I look right now because all I've done is fix the cushions on the sofa and give a little hoover, but the room looks so much tidier. I did get rid of the fingerprints off the dining table, and as you may have noticed, the orchid has now gone from the dining table. I did love the orchid, but it was just really hard to keep it dust free. The dust settled on those petals too much because it was a faux orchid and it was meant to be like a real touch orchid. The rubbery texture on the orchids just made it impossible to keep it dust free, even by, you know, putting a microfiber cloth over it. It didn't work. So I'm now going to pop this dark wash into the washing machine to get the first wash of the day on the go. It's another one of my life hacks that I do. If you can do one laundry wash every single day, it will help to reduce it when it comes to doing the actual laundry, stripping the beds on a Friday, You know, stripping the beds on a Friday in our house is 2 lots of washing straight away for my bed, 2 lots of washing straight away for Lee's bed. Then we have all of our towels and clothes. It's just so much easier to do 1 wash every single day, and I feel like I'm winning at life again if I can get 2 washes a day done. Just really stops the laundry basket from looking like it's overflowing and looking really messy. As it stands, I don't even own a laundry basket. My laundry basket ripped, and it's the IKEA one. I absolutely love it because it can fold up flat and go at the sides of the wardrobe in my office when it's empty and not full, which only happens on a Saturday, to be fair. But I just love those laundry baskets, and it's ripped and broken, and IKEA is closed at the moment. So as it stands, we don't even have a laundry basket. Everything just gets dumped on the office floor. I'm like, oh my gosh, so I have to get that laundry done every single day. Otherwise, my office would look a tip and I'd be falling over laundry. I am now drying these last few dishes, putting them away, and that's my morning routine all finished. The stuff in the background, those bin bags will go to the storage unit, and the cardboard will go to our recycling when the bin men come on Friday. But yeah, that's my morning routine, clean with me. I really hope that it's given you some motivation and given you some ideas on having a cleaning routine and what I do every morning. Some things don't get done every single morning, like cleaning the dining table. I wouldn't do that every single morning. It's just that I see greasy fingerprints on it. The time is now 10:35. It did take me a little bit longer to film this because obviously I wanted to drag around the tripod and make sure everything's perfect. I said hello to the pooches for 10 minutes when I came down. I just adore them. Look at them. But thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up just in case somebody else needs a little bit of motivation today. I've got my chocolate croissants cooking nicely in the oven and a nice cup of tea ready to sit down and enjoy. I hope you have a fabulous day whatever you are doing. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video.